Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic. Today our topic is how to play full bar or the whole fretboard. And before we begin, I want to thank all the subscribers now that I can finally monetize my videos. Right now I have about almost $2 in my account. If you let those ads play, you have supported the channel. Let's begin. Okay, so here's our full fretboard. There it is. This is our A major. Okay, so here's our A major. A minor, A major. Okay, so we're in the key of A major. It's also A major here. A major. A major. So we have A major, A major, A major, A major. So instead of going up here, we are going like. So this chord here is a flat here. String number 2, string number 3, string number 4, and string number 5. So normal A, then we go back to A. So let's play it slowly. We're just playing like for example, it's like this.